here next to a giant backhoe. I'm going to show you how it works, but first, let's do a dance! Woo! Hey guys, I'm sitting here in this giant bucket on the front of the backhoe. We use this to scoop up lots of material and move it out of the way. Now on the side, look at these giant beefy tires. They allow us to go off-road. We can go anywhere we need to go. We also have these big, strong stabilizers. When we're out in the mud and off-road, these help us to balance and stay level when we're digging. And finally, we have a giant boom here with a chomper like a dinosaur that helps us to dig and grab logs and move anything we need to move to get to the utilities. My special assistant, Mike, is a heavy equipment operator, and he's gonna show us just how all this cool stuff works. First, he's gonna put down the stabilizer so he can get level. Wow, that was cool. Next, he's gonna lift the boom and open the jaws on the core so he can dig. Awesome! Great job, Mike! Hey guys, now our special heavy equipment operator, Mike, is going to show us how he can take this bucket and lift stuff high in the air.